What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Canada. Hope everybody's doing well. Gala Games once again exploding, guys. I definitely loaded up on that pullback there for Gala. We have some major news as well as price analysis. Right now, Gala Games is the metaverse project that I'm pouring the most money into with my trading here. So it's doing very well, which is exciting, guys. So we're sitting at 34 cents. We're up about 17.8 on the day. Absolutely incredible. We're sitting at a market cap of 2.34 billion. 24-hour volume, 1.84 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app and grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. Depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. Let's get into this news, guys. Gala Games announces Galaverse dates. Gala price jumps by 18% in the last 24 hours. So in a big move, blockchain gaming studio Gala today announced the dates for upcoming Galaverse launch. Gala price has surged by over 18% in the last 24 hours following the news, while 24-hour trading volume is up by over 81%. But of course, Bitcoin broke out and Gala is following, guys. So Gala announced that the Galaverse will be the 3-day major event in Copenhagen, Denmark. It will commence from June 7th to June 8th, 2022. It's crazy expensive to get in. So in the blog, Gala Games has cleared that there will be no daily tickets for the event. At only one ticket for the entire event will be permitted. So it's a 3-day event. There will be only 800 tickets will be available. Well, a major typo. Come on, guys. Will be available for the event, which costs $8,000. That is insane for a single ticket, and $14,800 for a couple. Must be an absolutely incredible 3-day event. There's probably lots of prizes and giveaways because $8,000 to go to an event, that's insane. That's baller money right there just to go to an event. So this is Gala's second big announcement this month. Earlier, the CoinGap reports confirmed that it will invest $5 billion to expand its NFTs, which is what we've been talking about, within the next year. As per reports, out of the $5 billion, $2 billion will go into developer games. $1 billion will be allocated for the music studio projects, while $1 billion each will be allocated for movies and Gala theme park NFTs. All right, guys. So super exciting for our friend Gala Games. I love their logo. Very beautiful. So let's hop into the analysis, guys. So we had our falling wedge pattern. We talked about the money flow being in the floor, as well as the MACD and the RSI. That is usually when you're going to see a bounce. And we've broken out of our falling wedge. We've had the bullish cross. I said, look for the bullish cross yesterday, guys. Early signal of a pump. And we've absolutely exploded from our breakout here from this falling wedge. If you like to trade breakouts, you're up a juicy 21%. We do dollar cost average into our trade. So our first entry was here at almost 35 cents. Our second entry was 30 cents. So our break even is 0.32. So currently we're up on our trade just a little bit here. Couple percentages, yeah, about 4% up on our trade here. So if we pop over to the 1 hour time frame, guys, this is a level of resistance, pretty major level of resistance, and we are quite high in the money flow as well as the RSI. Let me move this up. I like to have my RSI on the very top here, and that is usually when you're going to see a little bit of consolidation or a move back down. But as you can see here with Gala, it likes to explode, consolidate, right? So do keep an eye on that, guys. Our strong level of support is here at 0.030, but we could definitely see some consolidation, allow the EMAs to catch back up to the candles before seeing continuation for our friend Gala Games. If we pop over to the daily time frame, I talked about the inverse head and shoulders. I said, look, guys, we've come down to the 20 EMA. The bears tried to push down the price and the bulls pushed it right back up, which is a bullish sign. We're holding the EMAs. So if we can see continuation here, we can break out of this inverse head and shoulders. We can have the bullish cross, major sign of strength. I talked about us getting back above the EMAs and how that's a sign of strength, guys. If we hold them, we back test them as support, which is extremely healthy. We put in that right shoulder and we absolutely explode to our price target of 0.92, guys. I do think that's the likely scenario. If we do come up and hit resistance, just watch that 30 cent, 29 cent level of support. but I don't think that's likely here. Of course, a possibility, guys. We come up, we hit resistance, we roll. But as of right now, we put in a beautiful inverse head and shoulders bullish reversal pattern, guys. We're back above the EMAs, and we're looking really healthy, in my opinion, for Gala Games. Bitcoin, I'll do a video later. Sorry, guys, this is not the correct chart. I was just posting this in the Discord. But yesterday, we talked about Bitcoin putting in that right shoulder and how we beautifully kissed the 20 EMA, and we're starting to get back above the 55. But I'll get into that in a different video, probably Polygon or something like that. All right, guys, so that's basically it for Gala. Just a little bit of update here. Your major level of resistance is coming in at about 35 cents. If we can break through it, we break out of this inverse head and shoulders, you're in a technical target to 91 cents, guys. We get back above the golden ratio, major level of resistance coming in at 44 cents. Then you're looking to come up to the 1.618 extension here, which would be your technical target once we get back above the golden ratio at $2.41. And from the current price, you're looking at a juicy gain of, wow, incredible, guys, 611%. But it won't get there overnight, guys. Remember, crypto, it works in waves, but Gala does like to explode here. So that's it for Gala Games. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. We're posting chart patterns as well as the DCA trade strategy is fully explained. We have the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, as well as daily buy and take profit zones if you want to start dollar cost averaging into your positions. Price of a coffee, $3.50 USD. You really can't beat it. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. We're making some juicy gains over there. And I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.